Finding a winning product to sell online can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. So I let AI do the work. From trend research to market validation, here's how I used AI to find a product with real potential. I started with ChatGPT to brainstorm. I gave it my criteria: under $30, lightweight, trending, and beginner-friendly. It returned 10 ideas, from eco-friendly kitchen gadgets to portable desk organizers. Next, I took those ideas to Glimpse. It analyzes Google Trends with AI and shows which products are rising in search volume. Some ideas had short-term hype, but others showed steady growth, a green flag. Then I checked competition using Helium-10. It helped me see how saturated each market was. One product, an ergonomic laptop stand, had low competition and high demand. That became my top pick. I asked ChatGPT to list potential customer pain points and ideal use cases. It helped me frame a buyer persona and shape a value proposition. Not just what to sell, but how to sell it. After comparing ideas, I picked the laptop stand. It solved a common problem, had room in the market, and didn't require huge startup costs. AI even helped me plan the product page and add headlines. This process took less than a day, and I walked away with a validated product idea and plan. If you want to skip the guessing game, let AI do the heavy lifting. Subscribe to NavigAI for more real-life AI workflows.